Hello guys, welcome back to an awesome episode of Mike_razer. Let's turn down that music. Hello and welcome back. Thank you guys for being back here again. We are live streaming. I know it's not the best setup, but it'll do. Guys, we're gonna work on a Gmod server. Why? I really don't know. Guys, I love working on servers. It's one of the things I do. Please follow me up, hit me up, guys. Yeah, I already know what crap to use. Go live. Okay guys, we are going to work on a server today, so I'm actually going to pull up my other gaming system. I actually have two. Sorry guys, let me get this set up. I need to do it, man. We're still going to have the music going on, guys. It's not going to go away. Well, at that point it will. But it'll come back up. Don't worry. Don't worry. There you go, guys. We're watching my live stream via my system. To be honest, everything looks pretty freaking nice. So yeah, guys, we're going back here again. Thank you for watching. Please hit some chats down below. I would love to see some talking about servers. So, what we're doing today, we're working on a Gmod server, which, of course, I have some Gmod stuff on my thing. Let me actually look at the chat. There you go, guys. We're working on some Gmods. Michael, what's Gmod? It's one of the good games I've always wanted to play on, and I already have a demonstration of the game because I was working on it last night. So here's the file. It's a pretty nice file. It's pretty thick. What basically is inside all this is CSGO. You have to mount it, which I honestly don't know how to mount something. I remember there's a video on it to mount, but like you have to hit that or something like that. I know you can mount it, but it's just confusing for me to mount something. Actually, it's right here. This is the CSGO stuff. CSS, I don't know why I put separate in CSS. Because this should never be there in the first place. Anyway, guys, please comment down below what you think if the stream's okay. I'm gonna be happy if you guys hit that thumbs up and share this with other people. We're gonna do this for probably a whole day, probably for a few hours. I just thought about going on to YouTube now because hey, there's a market for live streaming for YouTube, and YouTube is pretty good. Yeah, good. Oh, that's sad. That's sad. Fuck me in the ass. Sorry, I thought it was gonna go down from up. It doesn't. But yeah, man, we're working on Gmod servers today. Today. We're gonna work on a Gmod server. I will move my camera to show you on my other monitor what's going on. But yeah, TJ, just stay here. You know what? You can come down and join my live stream if you want. You can come down to my house and drive down here and join me. You can. I ain't gonna stop you. But basically how the server works is it's a dedicated server, so it's dedicated to me. It's dedicated to the people I allow. And with the dedicated server, it it's okay. It's not the best, and I'm still trying to figure out how I can switch from dedicated to non-dedicated, because I want it to be everyone joining, because there's a lot of servers out there that people love. And I don't play on dedicated servers very often because most of the dedicated servers have passwords. But I'm here to stop that day to day. Wow. but but yeah, I mean I've already finished everything. So I mean you'd get something like this if you're working with the mod, with Gmod. You get something like this. I'm working with Dark RP, but there you go, it loaded up. So, but how you're questioning me right now? I know you are. How do I get all this to work? First off, you gotta go to the Steam CMD. I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna show you. You go to you go online, you search up Steam CMD. You go to Steam CMD, you go to the developer, very nice. I'm hoping this actually goes into, I'm hoping this is, this downloads into my account, because, you know what, people may look at it, I don't know. But if you go scrolling down, you can hit right there, that's dedicated server, well, kinda. You hit that, what you should get is a file like this that should only have this in it, the Steam CMD. You click it, it downloads all this stuff. You know, happy, good. This is probably ARC. I'm actually afraid to see what's inside this file. Okay, yeah, this is my other account. Okay, so we worked with it. I worked with dedicated servers before. So yeah, after you hit that, the code is you have to do. You know, why don't I just do it? I could just do it in that file. So let's say you finish downloading, it gives you an okay. You go log in. Let's just say anonymous. We're going to log in anonymously. Then you do force underscore install 420 space. And that should work. Force app install? It's something like that. This video is more pertaining if you know everything. If you already have the server up and running, how you can really modify it. But yeah. It's something like that. Then you do app crap. It's confusing. I don't know what the heck's playing. I wish I could actually see my followers. Like, that would be like the best thing ever. I have 3 watching and I don't know who's watching. That's the sad thing. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you my Steam and my streaming code. Sorry, no, that ain't gonna happen. But so this video is more like, you know, you look at it, you want to do this, you want to do that. There you go. I basically showed you search up online of the full disclosure crap. I'm not too big into disclosure. I'm not too big in that stuff, but what you want to do is you want to go to after you did that, if you want port forward, I really can't show you because it will show you my Wi-Fi, and I know people will try to DDoS me if I show it. It's legal crap going on here. But you go to here, you do IP config, type that in, shows you your IP. Then you take your default gateway and you type it into your to here. So I want to put 19. You hit that. It says okay, and it sends it to here to your network. So yeah, and you go. If you're not using Genie, I don't know who the fuck you are, but you go here, you go to port forwarding, and then you find your computer IP, which is the Netgear Genie is really good for making servers because it like really lets you see stuff. But what you would do is you would add custom. So I'm gonna go in here to show you what everything is in here. I did not think really much. You may have two different computers that are labeled the same thing. I have two mic PCs, I have a laptop, then I have my gaming system, which actually, well, my server, which was confusing me a little bit. But yeah, so we have an internal start port, and we got an external start ending port. I know that, but people can actually see it, TJ. People can watch this video later because I don't know if I made it to where this is going to stop. I know you're not gonna DDoS me. I know you, TJ. I know you like from art, man. But anyways, you go in here. You would service name is what the fuck ever. It really doesn't matter. You just put whatever you want. Booty call server. I don't know. Then you put the ports. This is my port setup. It is confusing a little bit. Well, Michael, isn't the Gary's Mod port 27015? Yeah, but I have realized that when you're actually making the server, it's really crucial to have more than that port because you can go over and you can change your port. People say this is like a valid port you should use, and I kind of switch my ports up a little bit because a lot of servers use that port. I don't know. I don't know why every server uses that port, but you got ports from 1 to 35535. So it goes beyond numbers. And goes on here is that it supports for anything you want. It's really just saying, hey, anything. Some servers let you go ranging of ports, so you can default it. Because when you're working with a server and you're working with multiple servers, you're gonna have to make changes. You're gonna have to make different ports, different numbers, and some games will allow you that. Gary's Mod Minecraft sometimes don't allow you if you download the wrong stuff. I am gonna show you Minecraft because I ain't into Minecraft anymore. But yeah, guys, you go here, you do all this junk. Look for your internal IP for your computer that you're trying. Because honestly, I did all of this on my other computer. I just knew my IP because it actually shows you device name. Or you could select an active device. So actually, one of those Androids are mine. I don't know which. My Android's connected. Oh yeah, TJ, someone broke up with me, you know what I mean? Anyways. Anyways, guys, you apply, you accept it, you log out, there. You should be fine, right? Okay, so you go back to the file where you download the stuff at. So it's going to be all bare bones. It's just all shit. So you want to make a text document. So let's say this is a text document. You put this stuff in. I'm going to put it down in the description. Oh shit, I can't really. Wait. Yes. Savage. I'm gonna make this I wish there was a tutorial on this. How to. Yeah, that's an how to video. Maybe that's why I'm kind of lagging a little bit. Oh, that didn't look good. Someone, he or she did. She broke up with me. You know, you know who I'm talking about. But anyways, I'm using RP. I'm using dark RP, so it's gonna be different for you guys. So if you guys are making the sandbox, you'd have to change the map over to uh, GM underscore GM underscore whatchamacallit, Flatgrass. So I'm not gonna do it here, but this is what I have for me because this is what I have. To be honest, I don't really like this. Echo protects. Oh. So basically that protects it from crashing. I honestly just didn't know that. Honestly, my stream looks pretty freaking nice. I'm going to be live stream more often on here. Because, to be honest, Twitch is not the best for just random live streaming like I am. We're going to do a lot of live stream tutorials. Because I don't like going in and doing stuff. And when I have a gaming system, and I will. But here's the thing, I don't want to download the video. I don't want to make a video and just edit it. This is full raw file, and I probably will change it to where this will never be. This will never be showing up as live stream. It'll just be a video that I made. But yeah, guys. Anyways, I keep getting off topic here. But yeah, go in the yeah, it shows everything. And then you have to go in, you have to save it, and then you save as. Go up to file, save as, and after you do that, turn it to all files and put .bat after the name, and it should be fine. So like, let's say if I have, let's make a new. I'll just show you guys. So let's open that up. Let's just say that's the script I need. You go save as. You go here. You go to full files, and you go to .bat. So you have a value .bat. Value here. And yes, I do want to delete that. Yes, I do want to delete that. So after you get that done, launch it up, and you should see it all saying connecting. It shouldn't have all this junk. But this is my server, so it's gonna have all that junk. This is all server stuff. So yeah, no, it's not connected yet. There we go. Yep, that's what we're looking for. So your server should at least have the ending of the public IP. And let's say I want to actually go into the game, which I am, because I'm a hardcore gamer, and TJ knows that. To be honest, guys, I like doing this because people can comment on my videos, and more people follow me because this is a fun thing to do for me. So let's just say this. Can I just turn my monitor so you guys can see it? Because I don't want to like actually, do anything big, but so yeah, guys. There's the server. Once you hit, I want to definitely go there and thumbs up. Now, once you go here, it should show up a dark RP or sandbox. I have a dark RP right now. But once you log in, guys, it should kind of just do it by itself. I actually have audio. I actually have a video in the background of the server. If you can't hear it, it's an audio file, video file in the back. I have all that in the background of my server. Yeah, I got that. I actually really like my server. How weird it is, it's just me. It literally just shows all me. So after you get in your server, you're done. Okay? This is the end of the tutorial for you. But if you're wanting to make a better and bigger server, like how I have mine, please stay tuned. I don't know if I'm actually in the camera area anymore. Yeah, I am. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. This is going to be a fun tutorial about how to make the server. So, I'm not really going to show you 24/7 my screen. I wish I could. But anyways, my server lets you run around, lets you jump up and down. I got 3 Lua things. Check your console for information. To be honest, I see there's nothing wrong with the Luna. So, basically, your server will, like my server, it will show you errors for stuff. So, let's say I'm a super admin on my server, and I can arrest whoever the crap I want. So, yeah, I'm the super admin of the whole world. You know, boy, look at this. Ooh, yeah. I am not going to put in big mods like bombing. But yeah, guys, this server will be up too. So if you guys are just here to watch how I do it and just want to play on the server later on, please be my guest and have some fun on it. Probably by the end of the video, we should actually have vehicles installed in the server, because one thing I don't have is vehicles. Camera needs to go a little bit lower. Not that low. I don't need you to see my stuff down there. But so what? So the server still says there are 3 Lua problems. What the heck? What's a Lua problem? Lua. It's a problem that's in your Lua file. So if I go into my server, I go to that, I go to add-ons, I go there, Lua, and then you got things and stuff, and that's probably where everything is, you know, messing up at, because I mean, there's no vehicles there. Shipments. Don't have any shipments. Jobs are right. Jobs are fine. Entities. 3. So if I look here, F4, and I go to stuff I can buy printers. But weird thing is, it doesn't really show you anything. So look in the game. Well, shit. So basically what I usually do now is I usually explore the map for a little bit, but I've already done this with the server. Explore where all the fun stuff is, and become the job that requires you to only be able to do that, and then you can market that area for that job. So let's say there's a medic. You know, you got... Don't know why medic gives you so much shit. Like, oh my god. A medic can arrest. That's... So if I go to F2, so I press reload on the keys, and it shows you allow ownership, edit door group, jobs. add, and you know you can tell it what people can only have this owned by medics. So this server is kind of confusing a little bit. I know. Um, so you guys, I'm gonna go run around and add all these doors. I'm just gonna add the only doors I'm really gonna add are just the ones on the outside. That's what the doors I'm really worried about. Um, only if there was a way that I could easily just do this, because I know you could do something here. So you got keys, right? So yeah, you're able to buy the doors. After you do that, I mean, I honestly don't really care what crap I have in my server. But so basically, you go in here, you go here, you exit that, and you find your files. So like agendas, this is for all the cops and all that stuff. How to make an agenda, title of the agenda, who edits it, and blah blah blah. Agenda for the cops or something like that. Door groups. Name the door group here. You will see this when, people look at the door. Team 1, Team 2, or Team 3, etc. Chief, you got chief and shit on this. So, I mean, do I really think I want to do this? Yeah. It's going to be hard? Yeah. So, I usually go in and I usually look for vehicles. So this is where the server gets really complicated. So you have a lot of things you have to do now. So after you get everything downloaded, it's just now you have to work on the whole server. You have to work on ammo. Like you got this ammo here, and you got categorize. So like categorize underneath here. It's confusing, guys. I'm trying. I never really work with this. Like it's confusing. So we actually have nothing in here. So I don't know why that's there. Maps. We got that because it was bugging out on me. But so basically I want you guys to pause the video, and if you're having a problem with your server, just do this. If it's not letting your thing do it, I'm gonna let you guys look at that while I do something because I have to. So there you go, guys. There's a little bit of filing there for you guys, but yeah. If you guys are still typing it in, I'm just gonna let you guys do that. So yeah, there we go, guys. That is the one file we need. So if we look back here at the server file, and this is what helps you with the background loading URL, and you can basically tell it what video you want it to load. So honestly, if you really wanted to, you could just put a YouTube video there, and you can just have it load it, and have it load the YouTube video whenever you load the server. Ugh. I don't even know who's here anymore. To be honest, there's not a lot of lag in this, which I'm actually happy about. Game, you can turn no clip and stuff. So I was, I will watch videos while I'm doing this. So if you guys hear the video, it's gonna help both of us, because I never really fully did this. I never really fully went in depth of the server. So if we go back to Gary's mod, add-ons, that, Lua, we go there, we got Car Dealer Master. Then we got config, which is, yes, you'll enter your vehicle. And we're gonna just try to find a good area, because it's confusing. You got 2 spawn points, because just in case if you're buying 2 cars. Then you see the prices of vehicles. Vehicles, go to here, show thread. So I'm gonna go there just for the sake of you guys, because I have no idea what the fuck to do here. I love how he's like, because there's a lack of people here. It features all the permanent saves. So yeah, guys, we're actually gonna watch this video. Let's gain something out of this live stream.
What's up guys, gonna be and welcome to today's video. So today's video is gonna be a release video, and I haven't made one of those in a while, but I finally decided to make one. So I quite often receive messages about a tutorial I did a while ago, and that tutorial was for a car dealer. It's my second most viewed video, but there's a lot of people experiencing problems with it, and it's just generally not that good. So I finally decided to make my own, and I think it turned out pretty well. So to get this add-on, you need to go to my website, and that is thecodingbeast.com/products. Go up here and click on DAGV 2.5 Plus, other modules. Find the car dealer right here and click download. This will take you to the GitHub page, and you'll just go here to the right side and click download zip. I'm gonna open this file with WinRAR. So now you just need to open the first folder right here, and you need to place this folder in Gary's mod, Atoms, DAGP modification, Lua, and DAGP_modules. So just drag in the TCP car folder and close the zip file. So now if you want to change the current settings, you need to open the sh_config.lua, and I'm going to open this in Sublime Text 2. In here there's some basic settings like test drive length, the sale percentage, auto enter when you spawn it, or pre-cache. And that is just something you can play around with. Here we have the dealer spawns, and then we have the vehicles. The vehicles is pretty straightforward. First off, you just have to enter in the vehicle name. You could get that by going to the queue menu, right clicking on the car and copy to clipboard. Then there is the name you want to show in the menu, the model, and the price. Also, if you want to use a custom check, you can insert that at the bottom. And that is exactly the same as the one in Dogger Pay. But now for the vehicle, or for the dealer spawn, to get this, you need to first off change the map name right here. And then
because I don't know why. It's probably because I'm watching a video or something. So I'm gonna stop, guys. And it's gonna hurt your heart. I'll be up tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. See you guys later.